top, top, toppers out, top of style, top, top, zero, top, top, zero, top, top, zero, top, top, zero, top, top. Now I don't mean to sound rude, baby, it hurts or nothing. I want an independent woman if she working with something.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Chop Cheese. And you know, we back at it, as always, with something tasty and delightful for us. See over here, we got our fresh garden salad, made by Chop Cheese itself. My salad I got, ho, before we start, if you ain't hit that subscribe button, family, hit that subscribe button. Drop a like, drop a comment. Chop gonna get back with the family, you know. We're gonna start there first, because you gotta tune in, because as you can see, it's a lot going on here. We got a lot going on, so tune in for the day. But over here, we got salad made by Chop Cheese itself. Got my iceberg lettuce. I chopped some jalapenos up in there. You see the tomatoes in there, cheese, a little bit of shredded carrots in there. Yeah, we really turned up. And we got our ranch dressing for that. Over here, we got some ribs made by my brother. My brother smoked them Jones. He just bought a smoker. And actually, I just grabbed me a smoker too because I need parts. She ain't gonna be smoking stuff without me, and I ain't gonna be like, bro, let me borrow your smoker. Like, nah. That's just as bad as they did on Friday when she asked to borrow the microwave. Like, nah, what type of time you on? So I went and grabbed my own smoker. So it's ready to be on. You ready to see a lot of smoke stuff I'm making. Pork shoulders, ribs, briskets, chicken. Anything I could throw in the smoker, I'm gonna throw. I might even try to smoke some seafood. Why not? Smoked sea bass. It's on. So we got our ribs. On top of my ribs, I put some of this jerk barbecue sauce that I grabbed from the farmer's market when I was there. So I'm gonna tell y'all how that tastes. That look real good. And right here we got some empanadas made by Babe herself. Shout out to Babe for the empanadas. They clutch, definitely coming off work. You know, I just put my little time in, bam, boom. So it's on for right now. It's time to eat now, family. Put that to the side. And it's time to get down. You feel me? Let's go ahead and chow down. Let's see where we ready to start at. Okay. Throw some ranch on my situation. You know. And what else is we gonna put on here? Got my garlic parmesan, but I don't really know what I want to put that on. I'm gonna just put some on the side, just because I like doing stuff, you know. Put a little dollar right there, just in case I get adventurous. Got my hot sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some hot sauce on it, just because that will be get into. And got some salsa for my empanadas in case I feel a need to dump them Jones up in there. Put a little extra ranch on there because you know I'm a ranch connoisseur. Now let's get down with the get down. See what's going on with this side. Oh, yeah, that's fresh. Tell that's fresh salad right now. That's real tasty right now. So the salad real tasty. Salad doing one thing. Got the tomatoes and all that in there, carrots. See my jalapeno in there. That's real fresh. Nothing like fresh salad. That's nice. I don't know. Let me see what these empanadas is hitting for. I just went on and dunked it right on the head. They beef and cheese empanadas. They homemade though, and they as hell. I had empanadas before for the first time last week. Like chicken and shrimp. That was great. To the point I had to go and buy my own little empanada shells. That's real good. It's beef and cheese. Oh yeah. I had some hot fries over here. I was gonna get busy with the hot fries too. See the peppers all up in there? You know I love peppers and stuff. Yeah. Oh yeah. I recommend empanadas to you. Got fried yourself in the oil. Wow. That's ready to be on the list to make every week. You gotta make some of them every week, babe. Come on. Different flavors. I might make a. Oh, gotta focus. Can't spill my soda. I gotta make me a jerk chicken empanada. Oh yeah, that'd be tight. Oh, spill it stuff. Get it together, chap. Spilling stuff like a little kid. Back to that fresh salad. I love cheese in my salad. Jumping. Let's see what them ribs is hitting for that my brother smoked. I don't know how he smoked them. I don't know if he did it right. It looked like something. Oh, look at that jerk barbecue dripping on. They ain't falling off the bone, so I don't know. Not bad, bro. Not bad. I was decent. Nah. I ain't had no smoked ribs here. Centuries. I made some mean ribs on the grill though. Y'all gonna have to say, bro. Y'all probably seen. You follow me on the gram. Y'all don't follow me on Instagram. Chop.cheese. I post pictures of all the food I'm making along with all my videos. Might see more of my creativity on Instagram because it's easier to just make a little video, throw it on the Insta side. That's what's going on. YouTube takes some time and effort, but if y'all made it this far with me, you know, I'm on. Everything I'm doing what it do. Get back to that empanada. I missed that joke. Put the dip the garlic parm in there. Wow. Why ain't nobody ever say how good empanadas is? I got the onions in there. Man, if y'all see that. Onions and peppers and onion. crispiness on the outside, cheesy, beefy goodness on the inside. Wow. I got my Cowboys cup. Boo Dallas, because I'm really an Eagles fan. I bleed green. Go Eagles. Y'all like football? Be sure to drop your favorite team down there. Probably give it a thumbs down if it ain't the Eagles. It'll be a 9. Football season coming up. I'm finally home. I've seen like the last 3-4 Super Bowls in jail. It sucked. They were still lit though, and I watched the Eagles win the Super Bowl, my team. I was in jail, but you know, I made the best of it, you know, went crazy. It's more like good stuff. I'm shocked. And then with the empanadas, you could throw anything in there. You feel me? So like possibilities is just like really endless for real. Chicken, beef, shrimp, whatever you eat. You can even make vegetarian empanadas if you ain't on the meat wave. Yeah. Even get it done for the vegans. What? Empanadas for everybody. So it ain't no shoe. I don't know what kind of ribs they do. Well, I know they pork ribs, but kind of tastes like spare ribs. I can't wait to smoke some beef ribs for y'all. Oh man, which of them big Flintstone beef ribs come out the smoker? Some pretty ribs, ain't it? And you know where to start at. I'm just smack at it. I think they spare rib. My grandma used to make these on Sundays. Rest in peace, Graham. Mama used to make the best Sunday dinners. Yams, candy yams, green, mashed potatoes from scratch. Oh my God. Butter garlic. Whoo. She do shake and bake pork chops. Grandma never do no frying now. She ain't fry no chicken. You know, all grandma do frying chicken. She want shake and bake hers. She lazy. Well, she want lazy. I don't call Grandma lazy, but you know that frying chicken. You know, Grandma went with the shit. You know, Mm-hmm. Ooh, excuse me. Gotta get that good burp when you drink the soda. Gotta get the good burp. Chow time. Y'all can't see, but it got real messy real quick over here. I hate to clean up. Thank goodness for the dishwasher. That's another reason I eat on this right here. No muss, no fuss. This parchment paper, by the way, cookie cheap. Excuse me. Just drop your food on it, eat it up. Then when you're done, crinkle it up, throw it away. No muss, no fuss. Told you I had the crazy hot fries over there, but I'm starting to get full on them. I heard in the Bobo ribs. I think it's hurting for them. Just a little dollop of sauce left. Oh. I wonder if that worked, family. You notice everybody put their hand up, try to focus to the camera. It ain't look like it got no better when I did it. Do it really work? But now to do something for me. Make me happy. So happy to come off work and eat good like that. Get a jalapeno pepper and that red pepper, busting out the band there. Told you I like the spice. Spiceologist. Little onion and pepper left in there. Wonder what type of empanadas I want to make next. So I'm thinking about. Fajita, steak fajita, jerk chicken. Oh, we can put some king crab in there. Make a seafood Alfredo empanada. Oh my God. Yeah, y'all might want to subscribe now, okay? It might get empanada real soon, and y'all not gonna want to miss out. Y'all not gonna want to miss out on these crazy empanadas I'm ready to start making. Ooh. Excuse me, when that soda hit right, make you burp like that after a good meal, how do you know you're really satisfied? If you don't get that good burp after the meal, you're right. If you don't get a little bit sleepy at the end of the meal, wasn't it either. But it's a pleasure eating with y'all again, family. If you ain't subscribed already, make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like, drop a comment. Your boy Chopped Cheese. I came home, had him some ribs, empanada, and some salad. Ready to jump in the shower, kick my feet up, maybe get a little foot rub. I've been a good boy today. Can I get a foot rub? And then, getting in the sack. And it's time to wake up in the morning and do it all over again. You know, gotta get to the chicken. Gotta get to the money. That's what it's all about nowadays. Work hard, play hard. Work hard during the week, play hard on the weekends. Excuse me. I ain't gonna lie, I don't play on the weekends though, cause I'm on house arrest. So I'll be here during the weekends, chilling, probably work out or something. Planet Fitness. Yeah. Eat hard, work out hard. Oh yeah, I had my fruits and veggies this morning too at work. Apples, bananas, carrots, and some tea, some green tea. I'll be drinking green tea every morning now too. So, you know, holla at me, family. I'm here for y'all. Y'all here for me, so I'm here for y'all. You know, I'm out. See y'all next time.